Click and subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks. Welcome back friends, Tech for Review presents another review. Today we will review Samsung Galaxy J8. Samsung has announced the official launch of the Samsung J8 and J6 priced at Rm999 and Rm749 respectively. The devices will be available across all Samsung Experience stores across Malaysia and Samsung Malaysia online stores. Not only that, the devices are available in purple, black, and gold color schemes as well. In terms of tech specs, the Samsung Galaxy J8 is running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, 16MP plus 5MP dual camera setup, 16MP front-facing selfie camera, 6-inch display with a screen resolution of 720 x 1480 pixels, and it is powered by a 3500 mAh non-removable battery. Now here we go. Number 1. Display. The Samsung Galaxy J8 is a good-looking smartphone. It has a big 6-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio which makes the body tall and narrow. The 16-megapixel selfie camera is positioned above the screen along with a metallic earpiece and a single LED flash. The space below the screen is blank, as the phone makes use of on-screen navigation buttons instead. Though Samsung uses the Infinity Display trademark, the screen on this phone doesn't have curved sides like the ones on the Galaxy S9. Number 2. Performance. The Galaxy J8 in the Philippines is different from the one launched in India. Take a look at the specs sheet below, and you'll notice that the J8 we've got is underpowered in terms of RAM versus the one launched in India. That 1GB additional RAM is vital especially when playing games on the J8. Number 3. Camera. The Galaxy J8 features a 16-megapixel primary rear camera with an f/1.7 aperture, and a secondary 5-megapixel camera with an f/1.9 aperture. At the front, it has a 16-megapixel camera with an f/1.9 aperture. Both the front and rear have single LED flashes. Samsung offers a lot of modes in its camera app such as Live Focus, Beauty, Night, Panorama, and Sports. It also offers a Pro mode that lets you control the ISO, white balance, exposure, and metering. Stickers mode lets you use AR stickers with both the front and the rear cameras. Number 4. Software. Samsung has always tried their best to perfect their software that sits on top of base Android. Over the years, they managed to simplify TouchWiz UI, and retained features that are essential and tailor-fitted to the country where their products are sold. TouchWiz on Galaxy J8 is no exception, and that's something that's truly laudable about this smartphone. Number 5. Battery. In our HD video loop battery test, the phone managed 16 hours and 24 minutes, which is really good considering the 3500 mAh battery capacity. We also put the phone to test in the real world, where our usage consisted of an active WhatsApp account, taking a couple of photos and videos for our tests, playing games, watching videos on YouTube, and using Google Maps for an hour for navigation, and we ended our day with around 50% of the battery left. Idle battery drain is quite low, and this smartphone has an app power monitor that puts unused apps to sleep.